Good evening. Welcome to Ocean Delight Restaurant. Do you have a reservation?
Good evening. No, we don't. Is there a table available for two?
Let me check. Yes, we have a table by the window. Please follow me.
Thank you. This view is amazing.
Here are your menus. Would you like to start with something to drink?
Yes, I'll have a glass of orange juice, please.
Sure. I'll be back with your drinks. Do you need a few minutes to decide on your order?
Yes, please. We'll look at the menu first.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the grilled salmon with mashed potatoes.
Great choices. How would you like your steak cooked?
Medium, please.
Got it. I'll bring your order shortly. How was everything?
It was delicious. We really enjoyed our meal.
I'm glad to hear that. Would you like any dessert?
No, thank you. Just the bill, please.
Of course. Here's your check. You can pay by cash or card.
I'll pay by card.
Thank you. Have a great evening.
You too.